영재. Good morning, 영재. 여기 brush. 응? brush. 영재. go. 응. Good job. 빨리. Good morning, 영재. 아. 뺏지 마, 아빠가. 아빠 뽀뽀. 우리 영재. 아, 너 이뻐 죽겠어, 진짜. Breakfast time.
Beta, please stay away from my hair and my coffee.
영재 breakfast.
जो जल्दी दिखा लो then we'll leave on time. 10 बजे तक निकल जाएगी. Anyways, we were discussing what's the similarity between Haryanvi and so Ghonu is from south part of South Korea, which is like Gyeongsang Namdo. You introduce, you tell them. मैं तो pronunciation
That's
गड़बड़.
fine. You were correct in pronunciation. Please
Gyeongsang Namdo
경상남도.
province, region. And so they have a different accent there. They speak Korean with a in Sathuri बोलते हैं उसको. Basically तो different accent होता है.
English में dialect.
हाँ dialect. तो dialect is ना very harsh. Basically जब वहाँ जाओगे ना तो when you hear people talking in Sathuri ना ऐसा लगेगा जैसे लड़ रहे हैं या बात कर रहे हैं कुछ पता नहीं चलता कई बार. I mean it's just slightly more aggressive.
So let's say in Seoul people will say, you know, the where are you in Korean, it will be like 어디야? But we will say in Sathuri in Gyeongsangnam-do area is 어디고?
You see, it's slightly more like it's like he's asking in an angry manner, but it's not like that he's angry. It's just the dialect. So हरियाणवी में भी तो यही है. हरियाणवी में किसी दो लोगों को अगर हरियाणवी में बात करते सुन तो समझ नहीं आता. So many ladies sometimes are talking outside my dad's house और हमें लगता है लड़ाई कर रही होंगी पर लड़ाई नहीं कर रही थी, वो बात कर रहे थे. It's just normal conversation going on.
Youngji, you're torturing mama. Walk. Good boy.
Come to Nanny, we will stay here.
See you later.
Come to Nanny. Come to Nanny. Dada.
Finish it now. Ketchup लगी face पे. He's clapping. You're happy. ये देखना सिर मान रहा है क्यों? You're happy.
चलो आगे डियरी.
We have come to Saibaha because I have to buy some winter clothing for myself, Youngjae, and थोड़ा खाना वाना. There is Youngjae. He's not wearing a mask, but I'm happy that at least shoes पहन लिए. नहीं तो एक shoes पहनने की as you know इसको आदत नहीं है. Now where is he going? So I'm going alone inside Uniqlo because Youngjae को हम अंदर नहीं लेके जा रहे हैं. We are just keeping him outside. We feel outside at least there is some sort of social distancing क्योंकि मास्क तो पहनेगा नहीं वो. I thought I'll sleep for 10 minutes. I don't know how long I slept. मैंने time भी नहीं देखा था before I slept. But when I came out, it was so quiet. And then I looked for Youngjae and Ghonu and they both were not home. Why? I'll show you. I don't know if you can see, but that small kid swinging. ये फूलों के बीच में से जो दिख रहा है वो Youngjae है and Ghonu is swinging him. While I have my brownie from Big Chill and coffee. I just couldn't resist. It looks so beautiful. Good job. You can do it. Oh.
कोई वेजिटेबल भी ला दे, कुछ भी ला दे,
थक गए?
but it should be something.
टमी स्क्रैच हो रही है ना। 4 o'clock he went down, came up at 7. 3 घंटे ये ऐसा खेला है, I can't tell you. Yeah, what should I do with this? What should I do with this? You got me this bottle. What? I should open it. He wants me. Yeah. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। हम उठ तो गए थे, अब तो 8:30 होने वाला है। वी वोक अप अराउंड 7. दिस इज़ माई ब्रेकफास्ट, दिस इज़ यंगेस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट, नॉट मच डिफरेंस, एंड Gonu is going to make his coffee. It's 10:20 and we are back in the park.
अभी एक कोरियन बेकरी शॉप है। ये सीबांग बेकरी। अंदर से लोग बैठे हैं, तो अगर मुझे ज़ोर से बोलोगी तो people might say something. So कैफेटेरिया जैसे भी है, थोड़ा ब्रेड है, तो मैंने तो सामान खरीद लिया जितना मुझे ब्रेड खाना था। Something like this. तो अभी मैं जाने वाला हूँ कोरियन मार्ट में। इसी बिल्डिंग में आई थिंक कम से कम 4 कोरियन रेस्टोरेंट। एक कोरियन बेकरी था, वो बंद हो गया था, इसलिए मुझे यूजुअली उधर जाता था। एक सोनिया बेकरी नाम है, एपिक्योर है, उधर कोरियन ड्रिंक्स कुछ खाना आइटम मिलेगा। पीछे ये मीदाम करके है, ये कोरियन रेस्टोरेंट है। मैं एक्चुअली ओपन ही जाता हूँ, आई नो द ओनर। ये सिलामा रोड ग्राउंड फ्लोर में। Brown chips, and there's another banana chips. Nice. And yeah, I was supposed to buy 엽살인가? Police rice, police rice. 뭐가 좋은지 모르겠네. 일단 이거 하나. 청소했으면 뭐지? 그냥 이렇게 할게요. 순두부는 하나. 참기름. 참기름을 써야 되는데. 참기름이 여기 있다. 짠 거를 선택 받고 일단 가격은 좀 셉니다. 스팸이 살쪘나 봐. 스팸을 큰 거. 이건 2개 살까? 2개 산다네. 그 다음에 तो अभी तो साइबर हब में है। आज तो दीदी का काम है क्योंकि यंगजे को सो गया था, अभी उठ के सो he might be hungry. It's already 12 o'clock. So अभी थोड़ा सा इधर से शॉपिंग करने से पहले, थोड़ा घूमने से पहले उसको खिलाएंगे, हम भी थोड़ा खा लेंगे। आज तो मैं यंगजे तो अंदर नहीं जाऊंगा यूनिक्लो के, लेकिन कादम्बरी का शॉपिंग की थोड़ा कुछ चाहिए सामान, शायद मेरा भी थोड़ा चाहिए होगा, हम देख लेंगे। So right now आज तो हम सोच रहे हैं क्योंकि खार के अंदर से खाना है तो KFC के लिए सोच रहा हूँ अभी। पीछे नांदोस है, हमने कल इधर से ऑर्डर किया था, हैकर के कर जाके खाया। इधर का चिकन मस्त है।
किसी ने अगर KFC बहुत टाइम से नहीं खाया है तो Ganu's burger. So guys, this is what we got from the Korean store. These two are, this is like banana chips, this is like prawn flavored chips, snacks or kaka is like snacks in Korean, and Youngji really likes these, so we got this for him. Then this they gave us as a service. This is like a kim or seaweed mix sort of thing that you can mix with rice and eat. Youngji really likes this also. And this is tofu. We got 3 of these, baki fridge mein rakhe. And I really like Korean tofu. Like you get tofu here in India also, but ye kuch Koreans yahin pe banate hain India mein, it's not imported, and it's really good. We got kimchi. I can make kimchi, but because of Youngji I don't have so much time, so we usually just buy kimchi. And then we got sesame oil. This we usually get from Korea, and I actually get another brand, but this is also good. Most of their brands are good. So we got sesame oil, and because ours was over. And then we got 2 tins of Spam. Youngji really likes, actually all of us really like it, so we just got these because these were over. And then Gonu also went to the Korean bakery and got these sweet buns. Gonu really likes eating these for breakfast. Then 1 coffee cake. Actually the bakery that we like is closed, so he got it from another one. It's called Shibang, which is in South Point Mall in Gurgaon. Even this store is like called Shilla Mart. It's in South Point Mall, Gurgaon. And this is like mocha. No, this is peanut butter bread. It has peanut butter cream in between. And they are playing here. And this is soburu. Soburu is this traditional Korean bread. It's actually a friend of mine lives in Daejeon, and then she said Daejeon is the place where soburu is originally made. So there is this one shop which is one basically pangchib or bread shop which is really famous for soburu in Daejeon. Daejeon is a city in Korea, and like a lot of people buy this soburu. So that's how I got introduced to soburu. She got soburu for me for the first time, and मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगा कि I really like eating it, like, so I always get this. So yeah, that is it. We also got some meat and all, like Korean barbecue and stuff. So वो मैंने अब सब freezer में रख दिया. I don't want to take it out right now. I made him sit in the swing. No, Youngji. What? बड़ा ध्यान से. No, don't take off your shoes. No. Okay, you want to do this? You won't be able to do it with your shoes.
Ay, careful, Youngji.
नहीं उसको बोल रहा आगे चलो. He's not your horse, Youngji.
Careful.
I've also break.
Look at him, he's holding him so tight.
जाने नहीं दे रहा.
Yeah. Really, you can?
I can take it.
No, Ganu, move him. भाई मेरे बैक में दर्द रहता है.